Hey guys, this is Heather from Third Eye Design Studio. Got a little something I thought might be useful for people to know. I this is on how to create a fillable PDF with Adobe Acrobat Pro. I know there's other software that you can use, but that's what I use, and so I'm going to show you how to do that. I created this flyer for my client I created that in Adobe Express. She's actually a psychic and she channels. So she's doing email readings, and she needed something that when people booked an email reading, that she could send them to get the questions, because it's by email. It's not like in person or on Zoom. So I created this in Adobe Acrobat, but I needed the area here to be fillable. So when it gets sent to her client, that they can fill it out. So in Adobe Acrobat, you could bring this up. You just click on it, and what you do is you click on View More, and let's see, it has their Prepare a Form. So you can create the form. Just press on Create the Form, and it's doing that. Okay. So, and it's actually really, well, it's easy once you know what you're doing. If you don't know what you're doing, you might struggle a little bit. So what I did is I clicked on Text Field, and I just clicked on in here, and then I clicked out of it so I can pull it to where it needs to be. And right there. And then I clicked on it. It's a good idea to name all of these something different. If you name them the same thing, it's actually going to duplicate the input, the text input, like whenever the person writes in it. So I'm going to name it Question 1, like that. And this is really important. Go over to the Options area and click on where it says multi-line. That's really important because that way, when somebody writes in this text area, it's not going to be held in that little small area. It's just going to keep on going. So I'll just finish these up really well, as quick as I can. Text field, stick that here, and then go back and select it, and then like I said, general response to options multi-line. Okay, so here we go. And that's how it's going to be. And just copy and paste it so you can see that it just keeps going. Yep, see, there you go. That's how it works. And yeah, so what I did is I created it in Adobe Express, but you can use Canva if you want. I don't really use Adobe InDesign anymore. When all these new tools came out, I've just been finding that it's a lot easier to use Adobe Express. I like Adobe Express better than Canva, but a lot of people do use Canva, and I know how to use Canva. But these fillable PDFs, they're pretty good. I mean, you can use them to make products on Etsy. You can make a product with them. I don't know. Anything where you need like a fillable form. And the thing is, a lot of the new tablets, you can actually write on them with like a pen. I don't have one. I'd like one. That's kind of like my next purchase. But people can actually like use a pen and like write into like these little boxes. So it would actually make a good product for Etsy, or you could sell these things on your website. For now, for me, I've just been doing these for clients. Third Eye Design Studio. I usually work with holistic and spiritual type businesses, but not exclusively. But for that type of business, people need forms, and you don't have to print them out. You could just write in them and send them back to like the healer or therapist, and they really like it. But that's how you do it, and I hope that helps.